Hello, I am Alpesh Patel from XSY Compact Lighting Solutions LLP, and today I am introducing our boothless hanging projector lift. Presenting our patent innovation, that is our boothless hanging projector lifts. You can see now you can put your projector inside the auditorium and very easy to maintain it. आप देख सकते हैं हमारा लिफ्ट्स प्रोजेक्टर्स को ह्यूमन हाइट तक लेके आता है ताकि आप इजीली उसे मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन चेंज द होल पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्टर, यू कैन चेंज द होल प्रोजेक्टर ऑल्सो इजीली. आप अपना 3D मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, लेंस मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. Very easy to access everything. Our lifts are equipped with best tubular motors of world that are Spanish made and which are very compact and take weight up to 300 kg. Also for the safety, we have given 4 independent rolling belts which have capacity of 1 ton. So if there is any kind of free fall, all 4 belts which are totally independent from the motor can hold the whole platform very easily. Also, we have given the locking system. So when lift is fully closed, our locking systems on 4 sides lock itself with the frame. So in the case of fire or earthquakes, this platform will not fall at all. We have made this with telescopic poles such that it will always take the platform at its position where it was earlier. Also, these ropes are pure SS ropes 316. So these ropes can take weight up to 2 ton per rope. For the non-laser projectors, to take out the hot air, you can put flexible pipe like this. This is a 8-inch flexible pipe. As well as you can see there is a AC. You can put 2 ACs on both the sides. So this boothless is of in width 3 meter, in which 1500 mm in middle is used for the projector platform. 750 mm this side, on 750 mm on that side is a rigid structure on which a person can stand and do the maintenance of AC, cables, power sockets and other things. This scissor is specially given for the movement of cables. Here you can put all kind of your Cat 6 power cables tied here, making the movement of cables very easy and convenient for the operations. This is our all-in-one remote, industrial grade. Here only you can up, down, lock and unlock the lift. So whenever lift is unlocked, at that time only it can come down. If it is locked, it can't come down. First of all, we have to unlock, then it comes down, and whenever it is down, locking can't work because it is totally managed by the microcontroller in a way that it sends the sensors feedback and accordingly it works. So everything is in the same remote, and you can use this remote in the proximity of 50 meters.